Today's recipe is corn salad. For this I have 1 cup of canned corn. You can take fresh corn and boil it, but I just want to make this a quick salad, so I've just taken a can of corn, which is 1 cup. Here I've got half teaspoon of chili flakes, this is an option, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon of sugar, and salt as per taste. Half cup of cucumbers, I've chopped them small. I've got 1/4 cup of red bell pepper chopped small, 1 sprig of green onions or spring onion, whatever you want to call it, just 1 sprig chopped small. Here I will not be using all the cilantro. I'll just take 2 tablespoons of cilantro because I will be using this for another recipe of mine. And here I've got 9 baby tomatoes. This is around 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes. And I will also be using chili mayonnaise. This is an option. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you can skip it. And I've got here white vinegar and some olive oil for this recipe. So let's start mixing all these ingredients together to make a delicious salad. To a bowl, I'm adding in corn first. Add in cucumbers, green onions, red bell peppers, and baby tomatoes. Give it a quick stir. I'll add in some cilantro leaves, around 2 tablespoons. Oops. Sometimes leaves just fly around. Anyway. And now I'll add in some olive oil. This is olive oil as per requirement. So first let me try. Add 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. Now if I need any more, I might use extra, but I think this will be okay for now. Just give it a good stir. I'll add my pepper powder, chili flakes, sugar, salt as per taste, and I'll just add about half a tablespoon of white vinegar. Give it a good stir. Oops. And just add about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of chili mayonnaise. Now at this point of time, just do a taste test and see if you need any more mayonnaise, or if you need any more olive oil, or if you need any more salt. And this salad is ready to relish with any dish of your choice, or you can just have it as it is. Corn salad is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!